Beauty bosses. Beauty boss. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. And I just want to show you really quick how I clean my makeup brushes because it's literally one of my least favorite things to do. So I soak them in a little vinegar, a little cleaning vinegar, and then I got this soap from Amazon, ZOTE soap. And it made it so easy and it cut it down to half the time. So I just wanted to show you guys the process. And do you see how like fast they're rinsing off all that gook and all the makeup? It's so easy. So I'm gonna link it below. Let me know if you guys have any more questions. And yeah, this bar, I have to share it with you. Look at these brushes sparkling. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe. Love y'all. Beauty bosses. Beauty boss.